Begin with the latest increase in the price of petrol as stations now sell as high as 617 naira per litre in Abuja and about 565 naira in other states. The Group Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian Petroleum Company Limited, Mele Kyari, says market forces are responsible for the rising pump price of petrol. Mr. Kyari spoke on Tuesday after a meeting with Vice President Kashim Shettima at the presidential villa. He said with deregulation of the oil sector, market realities will force the price of petrol up sometimes and at other times force it down. The NNPC Group CEO said Nigeria has over 32 days of supply and not short of petrol.
That the market forces will regulate the market. Prices will go down sometimes it will go up, but there will be stability of supply, and I'm also assuring Nigerians that this is the best way to go forward so that we can adjust prices when market goes. I don't have the details this moment, but I know that our marketing wing acts just like every other company in this business.
So when you say market forces are working, basically what it is that you can see the price of crude going up. A couple of week or so ago, the price of crude was hovering around $70 per barrel. Now it's hovering about $80 per barrel. So of course, the crude price also drives the product price. You know, because the importers are importing, they are basing it on the cost of importation plus the freight, plus other cost elements in terms of local distribution.
Meanwhile, queues have started resurfacing in most parts of Kwara State as petrol stations in Ilorin have adjusted their pump price to 595 naira per litre. Motorists are complaining as some stations are not dispensing the product at all.
I'm hearing that people are saying now there is no fuel now, and most of them have the fuel, and they are not selling it because they heard that they want to increase the price. And this is what we are facing in this country. This is what we let the government bring the actual price that we are going to buy this fuel and make it available at all times. Not it will begin to people will now stressing, we blind beating ourselves or fighting ourselves, sleeping in the filling station before to get fuel.
See, we are even tired of all this. Every time we are just be working now, then the other we just see that fuel have already cost again, without informing anybody, without know anything. So we are tired. The time I can always say that maybe the federal government can help us to make a solution to this thing, because we are tired. And we vote for Tinubu because of this fuel, so that he can help us of this. And now the fuel have already been causing now, because we can't be blaming ourselves that why do you vote for Mr. President?
Is to look into this matter urgently. It needs urgent attention. It should try as much as possible to look into it, so that Nigeria will be able to run Nigeria smoothly. Every citizen will be comfortable and happy. The Bible says when the righteous rule, people will rejoice. So it's a concrete God's righteousness in all his doings, so that we Nigerians can be happy.
They are not taking it easy with anybody right now, everywhere in Nigeria. I will advise him to take it easy, to calm down a little, to think about the masses.
Nigeria's House of Representatives has urged the Federal Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development to commence an awareness campaign program in order to curtail the outbreak of anthrax. The ministry recently announced the presence of the animal-infested epidemic in Nigeria. The laboratory test on samples by the National Veterinary Research Institute confirmed the first reported case of a livestock farm in Gajiri Village, Suleja, Niger State. The House says there is the urgent need to prevent the spread of the disease, which may affect humans who come in direct contact with affected animals.
Recognizes the urgent need for proactive measures to prevent the spread of anthrax in Nigeria and protect the health and livelihoods of citizens by placing public health precautions in places such as strict surveillance and monitoring of livestock farms, as well as proper disposal of infected animals and contaminated materials. Resolves to urge the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and rural development to collaborate with relevant stakeholders in implementing effective surveillance, vaccination, and awareness campaigns to contain the outbreak and provide adequate resources and support to affected communities.